Welcome, coffee lovers. This is 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀, the first portable coffee maker that makes hot and cold brew with crema. In only 4 minutes, you can make cold brew or hot coffee. It's your choice. Use 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀 at home, your office, or on camping trips. Always be ready. 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐿𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀 is lightweight and made with state-of-the-art Triton. Simply scoop in your favorite brand coffee grounds. 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐿𝐒𝐂𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐿 assembles in seconds and can be used with cool, warm, and hot water. Activate 𝐃𝐈𝐿𝐒𝐿𝐒 and enjoy watching the gyro press extraction. The force created by the rapid spinning creates a pressure that releases the deepest flavors of the coffee bean, and much like an espresso, has its own crema. You now have a traveling cafe that can make any kind of coffee you desire.
If you're like me, you love a cup of cold brew coffee, but don't have time to brew it at home. I mean, who has time to think about brewing coffee 12 to 72 hours in advance? A cup of coffee should make your life easier, but in reality, making cold brew is a hassle. That's why we made the Dash Rapid Cold Brew System, a coffee maker that brews smooth, delicious cold brew in as little as 5 minutes. Just put in coffee grounds, water, and adjust the strength to your liking. 5 minutes gets you cold brew, but if you want concentrate, crank up the brewing time to 15 minutes. The Dash Cold Brew System makes 6 cups of coffee in minutes using our patent-pending cold boil technology, cycling water from the carafe to the brewing chamber. Cold brew extracts the delicious flavor and caffeine from coffee while eliminating some fatty acids and bitter oils that are in hot coffee. This makes it easier on your digestive system and gives it a smoother taste. Cold brew may go down smooth, but watch out, this is some powerful stuff. You should dilute the concentrate with milk or water. We want to make cold brew faster and more affordable. We don't have to tell you that cold brew is expensive, but we did the math anyway, and a cup a day will cost you over $1,000 a year. With our rapid cold brew system, you can make a cup with gourmet beans for about 30 cents. If you love cold brew, this will pay for itself within 2 months. Regular hot coffee goes bad if it's been sitting out too long because hot water speeds up the oxidation process. Cold brew coffee just lasts longer. So after you're done brewing, put the carafe in the fridge and enjoy quick and easy cold brew over the next week. Our team has been working hard to develop the Dash Rapid Cold Brew System. We have a proven track record of delivering innovative products. In 2016, we created the Pancake Bot, and with overwhelming support from the Indiegogo community, we successfully launched the SoBro Coffee Table, which is shipping in September. We're excited to finally bring you the Dash Rapid Cold Brew System. This isn't a far-fetched idea. We finalized the design, and we have our manufacturing partners in place. All we need is your help to start production and begin shipping to you. So please, back us today, and be one of the first to get a taste of the good stuff with the Dash Rapid Cold Brew System.
just douse it right now.
To decide on Kickstarter a couple days ago. Basically, this is the whole thing. So basically, for the pour over, there's another timer, and then another, and then everything already. This pour over, yeah.
Yeah, I've seen it like it's the basic, you know, but really simple. Like, it's not out there. But he needs some money to manufacture the product. He has it. It's not out there.
This is the product. This is a good one.
I know.
That's what I'm saying. This is the whole thing we have to do. Everything. So we don't really have to.
No, I just
And they still got time for that.
because everybody's gonna go. All of it. Take the full what it is. It's because of the stash back. You put the free rolls, put your loops, and still stainless steel.
Everything is one.
Only one is two ends, and then the middle. So you load the middle with your loops in the ends. If you have a whole design, but the thing is, it's simple. It's just as simple as somebody saying, here's a cup. You have many cups. But it's about what's different.
Many agree that the pour-over coffee brewing method is one of the best ways to brew an exceptional cup of coffee. The Vinci Auto Pour-Over is an automated electric pour-over coffee maker that automatically brews a 12-cup carafe of pour-over coffee at home, anytime, thanks to Vinci's completely new and revolutionary patented rotary dispersion technology. Vinci's automatic rotating spray head works to evenly disperse the hot water over coffee grounds, just like the traditional manual pour-over method, but with no effort. Now you can enjoy smooth and delicious pour-over coffee anytime in the comfort of your home with the Vinci Auto Pour-Over.
Coffee Box by Ox, the world's toughest coffee maker. Engineered to deliver a hot cup of coffee in the toughest environments. The rugged IP54 rated design means it's resistant to water and dust. And high-impact power tool grade plastics form a crush-proof chassis capable of withstanding 2,000 pounds. Coffee Box uses any K-cup and brews 8, 10, or 12-ounce cup sizes in just 70 seconds. And also has a separate hot water spout for oatmeal, soup, and tea. Featuring an extra-large 85-ounce spill-proof water tank with integrated carbon water filter and sealed connections. Weighing just 12 pounds with a rubberized handle, 6 stainless steel tie-down locations, and a heavy-duty 3-foot retractable cord, you can brew your favorite cup of coffee anywhere. Coffee Box by Ox.